Greenlight Collectibles Kings of Crunch Series 6 1986 Chevrolet K10 Taurus. Here are the other trucks available in Series 6. Go ahead and hit the pause button if you want to read them. Back in 2019, Jack Willman and Mean Duck Productions produced this awesome Taurus Monster Truck Volume 1 DVD of Leading the Charge of Taurus. Here is a quick video shot of the back of the DVD. Here comes Taurus up on top of the cars. Check this out, very cool. Back in 1984, Taurus arose after Barefoot was created with Fred Schaefer and Jack Willman. So back in 1984 is when Taurus began. That's really cool. And another thing was here on in 1986, Taurus crushed a bus for the first time in an official monster truck show. That's really cool. Old school monster trucks, they just crawled up buses back then. I mean, to start out with, Taurus started that kind of craze. Let's go ahead and check out this diecast vehicle. I really enjoy how it has the white trim around the wheel and tire. Goodyear tires right there. A very nice detail of Taurus. If I can bring it up close right here to get into view. So you got the name of the truck and you got the little Taurus, kind of cartoonish character. The windows are closed on each side. There's the front, what the front of the truck looks like, and then we get the snorting bull character right there, and then the motor popping out on top of the truck. There we go. Here's the other side of Taurus. A bed liner in the back. Check out the roll bar with the lights also. And Chevrolet in the back there on the tailgate. Awesome little diecast of Taurus in the Kings of Crunch series. Hopefully you enjoyed this short review and unboxing.